Hey everyone! In this video, I will show you how to fix the problem when Facebook says your profile has some issues. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your phone. In the bottom right corner, tap on the three lines to open the menu. From there, tap on your profile. If your account has problems, you will see a message that says your profile has some issues. Tap on that message. It will show you the reason why your profile is flagged and what actions Facebook has taken. Take a screenshot of this screen so you can use it later. Now go back to the menu. Scroll down until you see Help and Support. Tap on it and then select Report a Problem. On the next screen, choose Continue to report a problem. You will see a message about including logs. Tap on Do Not Include. Scroll down and look for the option called Profile. Select it. Here, you need to explain your issue. Upload the screenshot you captured and write a clear description of the problem, such as Facebook says my profile has issues, but I believe this is a mistake. After that, tap on Send Report. Facebook support will review your report, and if everything is fine, they will remove the warning from your profile. That is how you can fix the issue when Facebook says your profile has some issues. Thanks for watching.